I think since 2018, I've been working for your company, Drone Brothers, and for me, it was fantastic because I didn't have to go out and get the business. I just got to fly my drones.
I was thinking about using this thing where I could just point at the dome and it'll do a circle around it.
It was a match made in heaven for me, and ever since then, I've been a strong advocate for Drone Brothers.